do with all of the things that I pick up at these garage sales? Well, I have, as of now, 2 antique booths, 1 showcase, and I also sell online. I sell on Etsy, Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay. I'm gonna have to start a pile. Please, can I start a pile somewhere? Is there a place I could start a pile? Okay, I just wanted to start a pile. Excuse me, do you have like a box I could start a pile? Start me a pile. If you'd like to follow me or check out some of the items that I'm selling on the online platforms that I mentioned, all the links to the places where I sell are in the description box down below.
Okay, because it's, you know, going to sleep and have a sour taste. Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm good.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning.
How are you?
I'm good.
There's a big sale over there by the church down from Goodwill off of 518. They're having it
Did
outside.
you guys see my signs? Did you see my signs? How did you know about them? Yay. I forgot to ask anyone.
No, they come all the way in.
That's the most important thing of a garage sale.
Well, I look for the first sign and then I get the address and I just tell Siri take me.
But some people are that savvy and some aren't. Because I was making sure my arrows and the younger generation. My younger generation's like, they can just look it up. You don't need to do arrows. I said, not everybody. I said, not everybody can look it up.
That's right.
Driving.
That's right.
Go away.
That's why I have a co-pilot.
Yes.
I'm glad you're fine.
I have a police scanner. It would be fun this day and age to have one of those in here.
Those are 3 each. Okay.
This table's for sale, guys. That one's for sale.
That little one.
Yeah, look at this. $3. Okay, sold. Isn't that adorable?
Is it a dollhouse or?
It's a doll.
Oh,
It's
yes.
vintage.
I
So
kind of had a hard time giving that one up.
cute.
It even has Paige's name on it. I probably should take that off. No, it's like a luggage tag.
So what church is it, baby, that it's so...
Well, you remember League City United Methodist Church? They moved out. Remember that big church? It's been empty for a long time. You know where Juan Burrito is?
Yes.
Right beside there.
Had many gamings on.
Yeah, it's outside in the back in the parking lot.
Well, they have both of
They didn't have any jewelry.
Crazy ones have been playing on that thing.
Right. And Raymond's already been there.
Painted that cozy up.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Makes my heart happy. I love cozy too.
We want to go so bad.
But they won't let us.
We went for a honeymoon 37 years ago. And then we went on a cruise because it's so convenient and inexpensive. And we were like, oh my goodness, it was no.
3 hours.
Okay, right. So we went there and we're like, we're coming back. And we went for 10 days.
You want me to step that to the side?
Oh, thank you.
We like Isla Mujeres.
Yeah, we go to East Southern Mujeres. Have you been there?
I gotta write it down. What is it?
It's Isla?
How do you spell that?
Isla, I-N-I-S.
I-S-L-E-S.
I think I
No,
have.
I-S-L-A, Isla.
Right. I think I have been there.
That's
Mujeres.
cute.
You
That
take
is
the
so
ferry on.
cute.
It is cute.
Oh, maybe I had it.
I saw something on
That's
it.
the only way you get on
La
there.
Nation or something with
They
they
have so many
they
of them.
have lobster.
Are you telling me?
Yeah, because she
And I
ate a
think they
lobster.
have tigers in the bath or something in the yard, and which I don't agree with, but I remember that being
Well, you know, you can either eat lunch there or you can be lunch.
right.
With the
I-
tigers.
I just thought, what an interesting concept to go see the tigers.
Are you telling me?
Yeah. Do you need them?
How much? No, I was just gonna put a price on it.
Okay.
They're hard to find that size. I'm gonna keep them in.
How much?
pocket.
Baby, you didn't see the pumpkin right over there.
Put it around the
I did.
I already told you them. How much they cost?
3.6 right there. 369.
10.
Okay, you got it.
And there's a water park over there. It's called Esty. If you've never been, you need to go.
Oh, yes, definitely.
Water park.
Yeah.
So this is an island, right? Isla.
Isla Mujeres.
And but if I never scuba dive snorkeling, have you ever snorkeled?
No.
You gotta do it because
No, you gotta regulate your ears.
no, you don't. Not just you don't have to dive down. You can just spend the whole day with your head under the water.
Well, see, that's my
On
biggest
top.
problem. I'm a fat boy, so I float on
You
top.
float because it's buoyant because of the salt water.
Yeah.
Right.
So I'm not kidding. Everyone on this earth needs to snorkel. It's like,
Well, I thought you meant scuba diving.
and then you need some crumbs. You need to sneak some crumbs because you know they're not really supposed to have crumbs. And you'll have all these
You need some
beautiful
help?
fish.
No, I got it. Thank you.
Trying to help.
Okay.
Yeah,
thank you.
they're
Thank
really
you.
bad. Well, not bad. They're really good about it.
I think this is a dollar table.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready.
So $2.75 plus $1 is $3.75. And how much is this?
It's a quarter, $4.
$4.
Let's see. 3.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Good morning. Do y'all have any jewelry?
No jewels.
Okay.
No, just some little knick-knack penguin stuff over here.
Okay.
Book under here. Yeah, I don't believe there was any jewelry.
Okay. Got a penguin collector, huh?
My dad was.
Uh-huh.
He liked them, and I think everyone else liked buying them and stuff.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. As gifts and
That's
such.
how they.
How much are your little?
$5.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure they're die cast like this.
Oh, okay.
That's what happened last time. As soon as we took the.
It started raining more.
You just look at the radar. It says there's no more.
Oh no.
They have no idea.
How much is your Chewy mug?
50 cents.
Okay. Yeah, I hate this weather. Got a magician in the family?
One time on vacation.
How about your sign here?
50 cents.
Okay. It's really coming down.
Watch the weather, everything, and put news so that we get it in.
Oh,
We're like 15 minutes. So it was all done.
it's a lot of work to set stuff up like this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I'm ready. What was under that one?
Books.
Oh, what kind of books?
Everything under the sun.
Oh. Hmm. Okay. Okay, thank you for showing me. All right.
About $2.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. I hope it stops raining for y'all.
Thank you.
Good morning. Do you have any jewelry? I don't. Okay.